Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today's nail art tutorial is for this BTS Magic Shop inspired design. All of this is inspired by the lyrics, specifically the wilting flower image and the finding your inner galaxy and happiness motif. So without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Peel Off Base Coat. As always, all of the products that I use in this video will be included in the description box. Paint your index and ring fingernails a dusty purple, your middle fingernail brown, and your pinky and thumbnails a dark blue. On the index fingernail, start by drawing 3 droopy puddles with a very pale pink. Start shading the tips with purple and brown so that they look dead and dry. Going back on top with the same light pink just to blend it in. Then I dotted on a bit of yellow for the reproductive center and added some highlights. Screen polish to draw a curved line for the stem. To the right, draw a big leaf, which is a teardrop shape, and draw a smaller leaf to the left. Now go over some parts of the stem and the leaves so that they look dry and ashy. Now add some brown to the tips of the leaves and the stem. Add highlights with a light tan. For the middle fingernail, I'm using a light tan to draw the wood grain pattern. Use a combination of lines, teardrop shapes, and dots to alternate the pattern and make it look as realistic as possible. To add depth to this pattern, go in with a dark brown in between the tan lines or over some of them. This design was created as a representation of that line that says, "On this day when you want to disappear, make a door inside your heart, and inside there will be a magic shop," sort of thing. But right now we're just staring at the door and we're kind of lost, and that's all we see. But then we open that door and we can find our inner galaxy. And so I'm starting with a dark blue for the inside, what's beyond the door. And this will be the base for the galaxy. And then to the left, I'm just drawing a door. This is like a parallelogram shape. So it's like a door that has opened and revealed what's inside. Draw a few concentric rings in white polish on the dark blue area. Now add some splotches of white along the lines that we've created just so we can kind of blend it into the background. And go over this with a bright blue and purple, but don't completely cover the white. Replicate the wood grain pattern that we did on the previous nail on the door. Now add a hollow top coat over the galaxy. Now draw yourself inside the galaxy. I started with black for black hair. Then I use white for the rest of the body. Make sure you extend the left arm so that it touches the door. For the pinky fingernail design, we'll be recreating the galaxy that we did on a smaller scale and the ring fingernail. And I started with a sponge for this, but you can honestly just start how we started for the ring fingernail by working with that white spiral and then adding little bits of polishes around it, which is what I'm doing here anyways because the sponge didn't work out that well. You can always go over to add highlights with white and then add a hollow top coat. Once the top coat is dry, then I'm just going to take a random colored polish and just start marking out where the girl will go. So I drew the head in and then I'm just drawing the body and the arms and the legs. So the body is going to be white again and then the head will just be black for the black hair because it's facing into your nail. And around her, I'm just going to be drawing a few short white lines. For the thumbnail, I'm going to start with a gradient of purple, blue, and dark blue, and I'm going to be sponging that onto the top half of my nail. I use striping tape to section my nail off. And I did this several times so that it could be opaque and blended. Now just peel off the striping tape and the bottom half of the nail will be the same galaxy that we painted on our ring and pinky fingernails. Since the top half is the night sky, I'll be adding some stars. So I'll just be doing some diamond shapes, some kind of plus signs, and then a few dots and streaks just overall so that it looks like smaller stars. Go over the bigger white dots with the dark blue. Apply a generous layer of top coat over the entire design to smooth it out for the next step. Next, I'll be writing Magic Shop with chrome polish in the area that I left empty between the stars in the sky and the start of the galaxy. Now the final step is just to apply a generous layer of top coat over all the designs so as not to smear them, and also wrap the tip so that the design lasts for as long as possible. So that's it for this BTS Magic Shop nail art tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you like nail art like this with a narrative that is excerpted from the lyrics, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to do more of these in the near future. Please subscribe to his channel for more videos like this one, and I will see you all very soon. Bye everyone!